Hello kids! Welcome back to Crafty Time with Elizabeth. Pirate Edition! Arr! Today we are gonna learn all about pirate ships. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go! Take a look at this. This is my pirate ship. Can you repeat pirate ship? Pirate ship. Good job. So what is in the pirate ship? Let's take a look. This is the sail. Can you repeat sail? Good job. Sail. This helps the ship move. These are the windows. Can you repeat window? Good job. Window. How many windows are on the ship? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. 4 windows. Let's see. What is this? A flag. Good job. A flag. It is at the very top of the ship. Last thing. The deck. Can you repeat deck? Good. The deck is the top of the ship, where many of you crewmen are going to be working. Look at this, our own pirate ship. Can you tell me which part of the pirate ship is this? The sail. Good job. The sail. Now we are gonna make our own pirate ship. Are you ready, crewmates, to make our own pirate ship? Can I get a aye aye, Captain? Let's get started. Now, step number 1. Take your sponge, which is gonna be the bottom of your ship, and place it on the table. Now, take the pair of scissors, and this step is a little bit tiny bit difficult, so make sure you ask your parents for help. And be very careful. We want to take our scissors, open it up, and we want to make a hole in the center here. Just like this. Watch first, then your turn. Take the scissors, push it in, and twist. Now there should be a hole in the sponge. Now your turn. Next, we want to take our straw and put it in the hole. We're going to take our straw and put it through the hole, like this. Look, the straw is standing up on the sponge. Good. Our next step, take your piece of paper and we want to draw a skull. Can you repeat skull? A skull. Good job. Now you can use markers or pens. Let's draw a skull. You can also put your name at the bottom to show that this ship is your ship. Like this. Now, next step, we want to attach our sail onto the ship. Take your pair of scissors and you want to make a small cut at the top and at the bottom. A small cut at the top and at the bottom. So the best way to do this is to fold your paper in half and cut using your scissors a little tiny slit. There you go. There you go. So open it up and now you have two openings on your sail. Good job, almost done. Now, last step, take your boat, take your sail, and we want to put the straw through the paper, like this. Just like this. And look! We have finished our pirate ship. Good job! Now that we have finished our pirate ship, I'm gonna show you something really cool. Look! Our pirate ship can even go on water. You can also play this fun little game with your friends using a straw. Blow on the straw to make your pirate ship move to the finish line, just like this. Yes, I made it to the finish line. I'm gonna get all the treasures. Hope you guys had fun making the pirate ship with me. Thank you for watching Crafty Time with Elizabeth, Pirate Edition. Hope to see you next time. Bye, kids!